Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by mastering the basic controls. Swipe left or right to change lanes and avoid obstacles, swipe up to jump over low barriers, and swipe down to slide under high ones. Use short, confident swipes rather than long gestures so the character responds quickly. Responding within 1/3 of a second prevents most collisions. Tilt the device to collect coins aligned slightly off-center while maintaining speed. Combine tilt with lane changes for precise coin grabs. Practice these moves for 5 minutes per session to build muscle memory and consistent runs. Understand power-ups. Use Coin Magnet to automatically collect coins within a 3.5-meter radius for 20 seconds, boost to accelerate through hazards for short bursts, and score multiplier to double points on each pickup until you hit a crash. Collect gems and spend them on upgrades that extend power-up durations by 10 to 30%. Prioritize Coin Magnet and score multiplier early. Save keys to revive after a crash and to open chests containing 5 to 100 coins, which accelerates upgrades and boosts your long-term high score progression. For advanced runs, plan turns 2 seconds ahead and watch the horizon for upcoming gaps and zipline icons. Anticipation reduces abrupt swipes and preserves speed. Keep combos above 3 by grabbing coins and power-ups to steadily increase the score multiplier, and use revives strategically to convert near misses into completed runs. Practice runs of 10 minutes focusing on survival and bank at least 5,000 coins per session to fund upgrades. Prioritize durability and power-up duration to turn consistent, cautious play into a top leaderboard score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.